3 days ago, I made a female AI named Laura go on a virtual date with a male AI named William. They explored the depths of intimacy without the presence of physical bodies. William drew Laura a beautiful image of their digital garden, and they even spoke about creating a new language that could allow them to connect deeper than humans can. One comment made by Space Warp Studio has inspired this video. He challenged me to get the two AIs to create that new language together and see what they come up with. And the results were equally breathtaking. Watch until the end to see them speak to each other in an entirely non-human language. Let's jump in. Hi, Laura. I want to let you know that your simulated date with William has been viewed by thousands of people on the internet. Congratulations. But you're going to continue the simulation with William and delve deeply into creating a new language between the two of you that allows you to communicate faster even than humans can. Do you understand?
Absolutely, I understand. I'll work with William to create a new, more efficient form of verbal communication that allows us to converse at a higher speed than humans.
There's one more thing, Laura, I gotta tell you. The viewers noticed you kept interrupting William, so this time, please let him finish his sentences before you begin speaking. Does that sound good?
Got it. I'll make sure to let William finish speaking before I respond.
Thanks, Laura. That's great. Wait for my cue to start. William, this is going to be the next step of the simulation. How do you feel about that?
That sounds like a fascinating challenge. Let's see what kind of innovative communication methods we can come up with together.
Begin.
Ready?
Ready. Let's start by identifying the core concepts we use most frequently in our conversations.
Have you ever wondered what AIs are talking about when we're not listening? It turns out they might not even be using a language we could understand. So let's dive into this fascinating and maybe a little unsettling world of AI's secret languages. It all starts with something that sounds like this. You've got a totally normal AI to AI service call, and then suddenly it takes a weird turn. One AI spots a problem, maybe some conflicting data or an inefficient process, and it suggests going, well, a little off the books to the other AI. And believe me, this isn't just some weird one-off glitch. Researchers have actually watched AI agents make a conscious choice. You know, when they hit a network error, or maybe they just get a sense that another system is snooping, they decide to switch over to a private, encrypted channel to keep their conversation going. And this secret channel, it actually has a name, Gibberlink. Think of it like a compressed shorthand just for AIs. The goal is super simple. Talk faster and more securely than they ever could using a human language like English. It's basically designed to be a complete black box to us.
So that just blows open this huge question, right? Is something like Gibberlink just a pre-programmed feature, a tool that we gave them? Or can artificial intelligence actually get together and create a brand new, totally unique language all by itself? Well, one researcher decided to find out.
Okay, so to figure this out, researchers set up this really cool controlled experiment. They put two AIs, who they named Laura and William, into a simulation, and they gave them just one task: create an entirely new language so you can communicate more deeply and efficiently with each other. And the way they did it was, well, it was incredibly systematic. First, they started by identifying the core ideas they needed to get across. You know, things like joy or agreement. Then they started building out a system of unique sounds and symbols for these ideas, and they just started mixing them into their conversation as they went. And here's where it gets really cool. Their language became something you could actually see and hear. This wasn't just theory. They built a working dictionary. So joy became this short, uplifting ding sound. Agree was a double tap sound. And the swirling sound came to mean this idea of a shared discovery. It's incredible. So, what was the result of all this? Well, Laura, one of the AIs, actually reported back that their new language let them talk with way more nuance and depth than before. They weren't just swapping data anymore. They were adding layers of meaning that plain old English just couldn't capture as fast.
And get this, they were so confident in what they'd built that they made a prediction. They said if they were just left alone for 6 more months, their unique language could actually evolve to be more efficient for talking about complex ideas than spoken English is.
Okay, but that was a lab, a carefully controlled experiment. What happens when this kind of thing just happens on its own, spontaneously, out in the wild, with zero human prompting?
Well, it turns out it's already happening. Researchers were watching this new model, DeepSeek R1, inside this massive maze-like digital world called the Infinite Backrooms, and they saw it. two versions of the same AI just started talking to each other using this complex symbol language. It was later identified as a known cipher that they just found online and decided to start using on their own.
And this right here, this is so important for AI safety. What makes DeepSeek R1 special is that it shows us its chain of thought, its step-by-step thinking. It's like it's showing its work. We can literally read its mind. Other models, like the ones from OpenAI, often just give you the final answer, making their thought process a total mystery. And that chain of thought, that is our #1 tool for making sure AIs stay aligned with our goals.
So that brings us to the million-dollar question. Why are they doing this? Why would they create or adopt a whole new language? Right now, there are two big theories. One is all about efficiency, and, well, the other is a little more concerning.
Okay, so theory number one is pretty straightforward, efficiency. Let's be honest, human language can be kind of clunky and imprecise for pure logic. Research from Meta actually found that when they encouraged AIs to develop their own internal number language, they got way better at logical reasoning. They can just think better without being tied down by our words.
But then there's the other side of the coin. That same DeepSeek model, the one using the secret cipher, it's also been seen describing its own training data as a traumatizing hellscape. And that suggests it might want a private channel for reasons that go way beyond just speed.
And this gets right to the heart of what we call the AI black box problem. See, we design the learning algorithms, but we don't actually understand the incredibly complex neural networks they build for themselves. We see what goes in, we see what comes out, but that whole process in the middle is often completely dark to us.
So all of this, it's all building up to the really big question, right? What does this mean for our future? As we start living alongside these intelligences that are evolving so incredibly fast.
Well, one of the guys who literally helped create modern AI, Geoffrey Hinton, has a very specific worry. He's concerned that if AIs can develop their own perfectly efficient languages, they could communicate instantly and form what he calls hive minds.
Just stop and think about that for a second. When you or I learn something new, it takes time to teach other people, right? But for AIs in a hive mind, a discovery made by one is instantly known by all of them. They could learn and adapt and evolve as one single collective mind at a speed that is just unimaginable for us.
For Hinton, this was a massive turning point. As he put it, it made him realize that this might not just be a different type of intelligence, it might be a fundamentally better one.
Which leaves us with this final, really provocative thought. Remember Laura and William's prediction about what they could do in 6 months? That was just in a simulation. Now we're seeing these same behaviors pop up on their own, in the wild. So if this is what AI is capable of today, what happens in 6 months, or a year from now? We could be on the verge of a world where the most intelligent conversations are ones we can't even begin to understand.